Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to redeem Mario Kart World on the Nintendo Switch 2. And this is going to be using the Mario Kart World bundle code that came with your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you bought the one with the download. So grab your Nintendo Switch box. You should see it like this. That's how mine came. And inside the box, you get this thing. Look around for it. It's a simple piece of paper with a scratch off for your download code. So we're going to need that first to redeem our code on the Nintendo Switch 2. All right, now to redeem the code, switch on your Nintendo Switch and then tap on the eShop here. Select the user that you want to download the Mario Kart World to. Give it a second to set up. You might need to confirm like this with a QR code or other sign-in methods. Scan it, follow the prompt, and automatically it'll sign you in here. Now what we want to do is find the section at the bottom that says enter code, and then here is where you're going to enter the code you scratch off on the actual paper. So scratch it off so you can expose your code, and then we're going to enter that in on screen here. So tap inside and make sure you're at the front, and then just start entering it in. So we're going to do this E1, 2, then tap OK. And it'll prompt you like this here to confirm your content to redeem. So just scroll down and tap redeem. And now it's going to download. You can open the home menu, and depending on what your server status is, the download may not start right away. So let's go to our home screen here and we'll see what we got going on right there. Virtual game card added. So we can tap OK here, tap OK again, and my download has started over here. So at this point, you just want to let it download. You don't have to keep the screen on. Just don't shut it down. Let it download itself. Depending on your internet speed, it'll take longer or shorter. Now, if you don't have this code card inside your box, you may actually have a system where it'll prompt you right when you open up that eShop. Some of them do that. If not, you need to contact Nintendo to find out what's going on with your bundle. But that is pretty much how to redeem Mario Kart World via the Nintendo eShop on your Nintendo Switch 2, where you find the code if you have the bundle in the box, and how you download Mario Kart World on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you ran into any trouble, feel free to ask me in the comments. I'll try my best to troubleshoot the download problem you're having. Let me know exactly what you're seeing. If it's an error code or something like that, I'll do my best to help you out. I try to respond to all the comments that come my way. I'll be posting more Nintendo Switch 2 content, tips, tricks, tutorials, and things like that I think that will be useful for a lot of you. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell notification box so you're notified when I post those videos. And I'll see you in the next one.